Wagwan party. Me there, you know, daddy. What kind of clocks that, daddy? How will you get the new clocks, the daddy? That one they look bad in a party. What's up, people, my family? What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? Welcome back, you know. We're there in the place on Friday, I do some little, you know, Nix Knacks thing and Ray and thing and there. Earlier on, if I do a video with Marcia and thing. But through so much music did outside I play. One little bar did I set up one little in-house sound system, and then one little man in front of me mostly on Friday when them wife a sell out her gate and play music and stuff. I mean I want to be inconvenient to nobody, you know. Sometimes when I want to do a video, I have to do a video and I don't at that spot here, maybe call him and ask him, you know, go over there and beg him to turn it down a little bit because I don't know the copyright go. So I decide not to do the Marcia video again until probably tomorrow. But one video come to my attention, people, and when I go to the video and stuff like that and thing, me hear the person that go on, one month and suck this and suck that and way. One night time if it wasn't a man voice, but I think say a Marcia. Because she known for the suck this and the lollipop and the kiss go and all the so what's up them and them something there. Me just say she. But when me listen good, me say it's a man voice, but you know, other type of man voice the way. You understand? When me look people and and listen. No Dewiesha, the same Dewiesha we come out here and ask for forgiveness. You understand? And get all apology for nothing at all. I think this man is a changed person. Me never say this man is not supposed to come out and defend himself if somebody are trying. You understand? Me never say no. If you have to defend yourself, you have to defend yourself. But based on the nature of how you come out here and I put it, say you change and you want a chance and you know, and the woman come out and forgive you. So me I wonder if it's just where she is concerned, you are changing or you are making a change in general. It not really concern me, you know, but the public probably want to know if them even concerned either. But we just want to know if it's a general change you tell the public say you make, or it's just a change towards that woman, because when you sit down and look back say you were so disrespectful, you know, and you was like that person who in the back and all of them sitting there come to your mind, you just want to, you know, and how serious it is about it. But it not look good. Whatever the woman a country come out, come say on our platform towards you and whatsoever, bite your lip now. If I for the one day, the first day, the rest of the week, just bite your lip. Bite your lip and give the people them where a naysayer where he is concerned then say you have a change and you want to change. Something to talk about. When them hear such woman come at you and them hear you know clap back or nothing, but you just clap back. So it's like he's a shoes lace, it's just easy to draw out. So it seems like you have to prove these people say boy yes, no change under the fear. You just want to come mix and mingle. And as me said, the freedom street where you expect you're not going to get it because she said it. She will forgive you and move on and not stay on a separate ways. She not have you up in her heart nor nothing. There was somebody where she loved and she was surprised to see how you turn out against her and whatsoever. You understand? But people, after me listening it, me come back now and say, alright, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to make this be the headline of the Marcia video. So I say, alright, I'm going to play this. When I go so bang, 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 boom, bang, 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 boom, bang. Live, private. Me I say, so wait. I want to make it look like say you don't want big people, you want to make you own decision, and you know, you come out like you mighty and bold and big, but yet still you come out here and say certain things. It's like you never check on yourself before you do it or say it. It's after you do it, you come and private or you want delete. When whatever damage is to be done already. That is my concern, you know. Whatever damage to be done already because people have it out there already. Surprisingly, a person catch a piece of your life screen record it, and I saw me could I get a little piece when I have a play and no phone to hear people. So you just judge the other rest of people that will catch it full live. It out there already. So what you bother a delete for? If you never plan it, make up your mind to say what anything me say me I stand by it and who want bex. Me I defend myself. Anyway, with the Marcia case now, people, why me don't know if you say now? Cause Marcia want Jesus is to be there for she, but she don't want there for Jesus. From one day she has sing about baptism, but at the same time she come plain and say, oh, baptize me. I don't know about that right now, you know. But yet still, you run Ghana and a tent. You understand? And you claim to say, the people, the preacher, the pastor, the whatsoever, that the pastor and the preacher is so spiritual and holy, that you believe in them so much for the few nights that you have been under that tent. That you want so much from God. You want a house, you want riches, you want husband, you want Tara, you want Wara, you want everything. You want your life soon start out. So don't worry, my life soon start out. You want your life to start out. And you want God to start out your life. You understand? And you want God to start out your life, but at the same time, you know, prepare and make up your mind to give your life to God. But desperate as you is, you are run to God, but you don't want to give back God nothing. And for see all of these things that you call down upon people, sickness, and that shut eye something there, and all kind of bad things. And as me say, each time you do this thing, things just come down upon you, one way or the other. See they know? You claim to say nothing to your heart and whatsoever, but doctor just want to take precaution. You are feeling things, whether by anxiety where your heart is concerned, stress. You say you're not stressing, you talk that every day. Oh, I'm not stressing, so I'm happy. But you still know you come and claim stress for the problem where you have with your heart, anxiety, and all kind of things where you go through. That them have to put weight in your monitor upon your heart. You understand? And you still not decide to give yourself to God. You still come out here and wish all kind of bad things to people. People, I'm going to make you listen to the part of the way about people. This is not the worst side. The part where I listen some suck go on in it and some this. I don't know if she tell him first or him I tell her back. But whichever way it go, I feel like say after him let her finally read or him piss finally read and him get the forgiveness, him should just wall out people. That's what me I say. Me not say if you lie down and make them run over you. Because me not say do man a Portland come at you and not deal with a certain way, you must defend it. But I would try to bite my lip if I am for the first couple of days. And try to send a signal. So if me even come, if them keep pressuring me and me come out, people can say, see there, no I pressure them, I pressure the man, call the man. But right away, it not look good. So me I wonder if I just see that woman there make the change, or it's a general change you try to make. Me don't know, because this one look like it's a general change. Anyway, people, when you're listening, and then I get to the Marcia video. So listening. Go on, listen, as I say, there are some little things that are wrong. Can't take back that! Because I don't get my answer. You're rude. What? But you sweat bun you know. Somebody talk about your mother and it bun you like that. And you have talked about this woman mother when you are run down for forgiveness. So bad and so many times. And remember now, this is not a woman who have come out here in another type of cast. No farmer cast as a matter of fact. But this is not a woman who have even come out here come answer you when you tell her about her parts or her mother parts or her picking them parts. In the manner of how you come out here come talk things. And you so upset you is because such woman I tell you about your mother. So just sit down and reflect back you telling this woman when you are asking her run down for forgiveness. When you tell her about a drag for your mother. How she feel for somebody when I play the part in a social media. You understand? It's not a part that we should play none at all. So just imagine how she feel if you feel so. Somebody will tell people about their mother. That is the case, you know, everybody have played the blame game. Who the worst and who not the worst. Who the better than who the better. But the things that me say is not who do and who not do and who not do. Out of all of who you ever say the worst and the worst. Whether you're the worst or not the worst, you end up as the worst. And I've said it already, the reason why. You were a part of the family. So you end up as the worst. You get what I said to you? So now come out here with no blame game the whole on about who do first and who do worst and who do this and who do that. Stop that. Especially you. Because you were so well accepted. You were so loved by this woman. You understand? But someone who can't feel love. Someone who go like you have a silly love. You can't feel it. You understand? So when you don't feel it, you don't have to see it. So you don't see it, you just don't believe in love that they phone. Because your behavior, I don't know. How you make idiot get up in your head. People who are saying otherwise from what you were saying. Up to the time when them try to get up in your head. You make them trick you. Brainwash you. And lead you over. And baptize you. In a freedom way. People, I don't know what to say, but I go hold my stance. This boy will not change and he never change and he will never ever change. Nobody will willing to change. No need so much chance to change. One of my loyal subscribers say, we've got how much chance you say Father God say for chance. You understand? So him still have only more chance. But in the real world, yeah, with them a human being when we have face, I don't think them need more than 2 chances. These human beings what we have to face as human beings also. We don't need to give them 2 chances. And sometimes we give them 2. So what we have with 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Once beaten twice, so help me Lord. Me not make that one again. People, just stay tuned for the Marcia video. Alright? Because she's the next one. I don't know what she wants out of life. Because you want Jesus Christ to give you all that you want. But yet still you have to come out and say, baptize. You don't see yourself baptized. So you want so much things from God in such a short space of time by now in 2025. After you have all 40 years could I get it. And you know wish to give back God nothing at all. I want to stay tuned for you. So my people, We don't listen to Marcia right now, you know. We want house, land, car, husband, riches, everything from Father God. But no plan to give Father God her life. After all she have been through, that right now she have to have money tap on her heart because she has said nothing do her heart and she sure nothing do her heart. But doctor said because all of this can cause from stress, can cause from this, can cause from high blood pressure. So why them put money tap on you? Because they want to find out what is really going on. That's the only way them can properly assess you. It's not where you say or how you feel. You know what man in the hospital? And I tell doctor, say me alright man, me good man. Doctor not see it that way. You know what man die in the yard and say him fit and alright. And collapse. And with a monitor upon your heart. You understand? Probably this is just another sign. God will show you. For all that you have done and you're going like you're so holy. And always want to mix God with the next man. I don't know, say it's just one God, you can't mix him with nobody else. People, wanna listen her?
Last 2 years ago, them tell me say the blood work don't show nothing. 1 and 2 times come on. Everybody knowing in my life say Marcia is cussing with people, make gain weight. You're not taking my medication on time.
Boy, you gain weight.
Medication. So,
but you have cuss people about weight.
So, let me make it clear. So I have to wait for a month. If there was something serious. So
hold on the people. So let me ask you a question now. So you're gaining weight that cause so much problem? You're gaining weight that give your balls and body and you harm them. Now you blame your weight. Probably you cussing people. Your heart problem where you have with you cussing people, gaining weight and weight. So if you know all of this, why you not restrain yourself from do such things? Why you not control your weight? Why you not leave those junk food? Why you not get yourself on a proper diet? Why you don't watch what you eat? No. You're watching other people, what other people eating. You're watching how other people getting fat. You're watching who have leg fat and who have this fat and who have lump around your so and who have what? Love grab up or whatever you want to call a little bulge on your side there. But all of who have all of that, we don't hear them a call out a ball out for no ailments. And you were so perfect. I have so much different ailments. Oh God, boy, may I tell you.
Monitoring it to see if them have to increase. You have to go ask a doctor that. I'm not a doctor. I'm just over here giving my experience. I am not a doctor. You have to go and ask a doctor that. I am only speaking about my issue. And I've been talking about
your issue, your tissue.
Oh,
your issue, your tissue.
Once in a while.
Take it and wipe your mouth.
If you sometimes eat that me eat pepper food. It may even eat certain food happen. Too much pepper even things. When you get whole lot kind of sit now.
We can't understand this. You know all of the problem we can cause this and you still do it. It not sound good. You know all of your problem we have caused this to you and you still do it.
Social media. I have few witches and warlock out there now.
You are one of them. Make sure you class yourself as one.
When we come over here and I give you something, if it's up to you, if you don't want to go on other people's pages to bring down things or whatever, you realize when people have purpose in their life. I'm not going to go a church. And everybody knows say Marcia got church all my life from your little pitney until today.
Nobody knows. You come out here come tell people. Because your ways don't show say you go to church. Your ways. Hold on there. Now come out here come talk about everybody know. Your friend them where you grow with know and your relative them. And right now they are not around you. It's social media around you. And not even who you are big up on your page and your wrenchers and your crinchers and your this. No, nothing about that. Because one, you don't come out here and act as if you're coming from a place like that. Your behavior upon social media, what make people know you, is awful, terrible, messy. It is no sign of you being somebody coming from church or a church background. where you go church on a daily basis of your younger time coming up. And it's even some of the case. There's a lot of young people, especially who grow up in the country side, you know, where at a tender age you have to go to church with your parents because you have to obey your parents. That is not from your own will. But you have to just obey your granny or your mother or your grandfather and go to church. That's how it is naturally. Everybody know that. So if a that year come count and say you grew up in a church, you grew up in a church but not after your own will. And this is why now your own will is being like this. So now come tell nobody about you grew up in a church and everybody knows. Nobody knows. You can't grow up in a church and behave so.
Church, no. Everybody knows if I got a party Saturday, I go to church Sunday. Everybody been watching me all these years on social media. Nobody can call me fake. I worship Jesus Christ in my good time and bad time. Nobody can say because my life is going down the drain and now I go down the drain and this happened to me. Why me run to church? Nope.
For the past 7 months, you never did go to church like this.
And the evidence is right up here on social media.
For the past 7 months, you never go to church like this, because what you go through for the past 7, 8 months and end up still I go through things make you take church like you want to take it serious. And still not plan to baptize and give your life to God. Where?
Same way. So let me make it clear. So you have these demons out on social media. They want to see you. They want you to see you unhappy. And when they can't beat you, they make all kind of statements. Well, let me tell you something. I know destroy me. I know when me I got 10 revival for, and I know when me I come out for. And me I go beat you now bad. From all these years, I call myself evangelist every place, and I know one day I'm going to be evangelist. None of you now feel like say, when I come out here, come feel like say, you don't have the power to tell me to cast down things or say whatever and feel like say, if. Because every year, for my anniversary, when it comes to April, I always say, I go back to me baptize and go back in my church. What is it? I don't feel like baptized anyway, but you know, because them say you turn back out of church, you have to dip again. Well, if me have to dip again, no problem. But me not feel like dipping. I just feel like say, but some people, if you not dip long, them all feel like say you did not do what you want to do. When it comes to me and man, no man is not going to deter me from going to church. Like for instance, I tell you guys yesterday, I said, since I've been going to church, the first night of revival, I went and picked up my boyfriend. And I went to church, and when I went there, by the time I picked him up and come home, by the time I went to revival tent, the praise and worship was off. I said, no, I miss it. Because let me tell you something. I'm not married to the man, and I like say need a ride from me. Him have him ride. Can I get him riding? Can I take him company bus? I am not 10 revival start at 7 o'clock, and people are there one time. Praise and worship is one of the best things to go and worship and praise. It's not about the preaching, it's about the praise and worship. Bringing down the house, calling, welcoming the Holy Spirit to come into the tent. And praise and worship is very, very important. For the past.
Why I went so much load that tumble down upon you? So much weight to take care at once. Not 1 day, 2 days, and then breeze, you know. Day back a day a different type of load that tumble down upon you. You're thinking about praise and worshiping. Eh? And you can't praise and worship God, and at the same time, you do wrongdoings. You mix up with all sort of voodoo and all kind of demonic sitting. You can't do that. You know, mix God so. You understand? And every day you feel like say you is holy. You're one of God's brightest stars. And before you could have done talk, you're gone to the demonic way. You can't come tell nobody and preach no church thing to nobody go on. Go on, yeah, man.
2 days for the past.
People may go on right and whistle, you know.
Listen, I am not going to pick you up if I don't want to, because listen, me have to go to church. Me have to go to my 10th revival because me now met nobody. He say, okay, no problem, babe. He said, when are you coming? He said, don't know. Me will break up with a man for that. When me break up with a man for that, me not ask you. And I said to him, when are you coming? Are you going to come? He said, maybe one day in a week. I said, the revival is going to be every 2 weeks. When are you going to come? I am going to see how much this is going to be a testimony or a proof to see how him respect me or if him care about me, to listen to me, to say, come to the 10th revival one night before it's closed.
Man, for use of that, Marcia, look. If a man behave like a fool, she a go treat him like boops. Man, for use of that, Marcia, look. If a man behave like a fool, she a go treat him like a boops. Man, they at work and she want him to come to church. Or when the man at work, she want him to come to church. Because she want to see if the man mean her any good. All of a sudden, she want man to mean her good. Man, for use of that, Marcia, look. If the man behave like a fool, she a go treat him like boops. She already treat him like idiot, you know. We are going to see it. Because all of she say that's going to make sense. You now let go for the man because you now miss survival, you now miss how you run down from God. So all of a sudden, how God share out where you want. Or how God share out now that you hear about you want. Come on and tell me. Are the same thing I share all along, you know. All the years where you live are the same thing Father God has share. And you never did that run it down. So if you want the man to come to church, basically the man not drive all the stores right where you talk about me can't see it. But you want the man to come to church and come to revival and come to tent. Come on. You know what time the man will leave work. You know drive go for him? And carry him come? I don't like you're going to miss nothing way. Oh, you're calling, you're going to miss your calling. Because you don't say you're not baptized. So I don't like you're going to miss your calling. So when you go for the man and come back, you don't take in whatever time of the church or the preaching left. But you want the man to leave work. Take Uber, because most Uber I'm going to take because no, we can't see the car. Because you're not going to feel and come. And you're not busy if him come in, come sit down, because you know him not going to come in, come sit down side of you. And you don't want him sit down side of you. And but you know him not sit down side of you. You might want to go run at the back. But you don't want to say you even see him out there stand up in the grass. Or what you want to prove? Say the man care about you so that you can prove say a man care about you. Because if me know say that you want and me want to fake it, me just go do it. But deep down, me not do it with nothing. And this is why some woman get tricked. Because on force man to do things. And you know say in the back of the man knows say if him do it, this is where you go believe. And from you believe, he will get where he want. So all him have to do what you want him to do, not from the heart. Just to get you to believe what you want to believe about him because him do what you want him to do. And after all done, and him get through with whatever. That's it. Because it never do from the heart. Only if you allow the man them to do things on them heart. Stop stick up the man them. Stop force the man them. Make the man invite him. If him come. If him give a good excuse, him give a fake one or something. You analyze the situation. And you can't just use a one half there and judge a man. You try him, because probably the time when him can't leave work early if you reach, or him can't leave work none at all, or him can't come none at all. So you can't use a one half there you got about. You tell the man, make sure him come even one night before the service done. Even one night out of the 2 weeks. What if him can't make it? That's him meaning no good? Couple days ago, you know, weeks ago you say, you know, your man love you, you know. Because things that he has done to you, you know. So all you're going to use a one little something you know. And know if you mean you're good. Hey, tell you this, you're not real chatter, you know.
This is a test.
That's all I'm going to do. Listen now.
Because some man know I go to church.
It's a test. Listen, what kind of test? CXC?
I have to make sure that I see.
A Jesus?
If him really and truly check for me. He listened to me and said one night, come and see.
But you have said this over and over. Since you meet this man, you know. You say Aaron had no him talk. Social media just know him. But you don't want it look like the 3-4 man what we say a change in short space of time is a different one. So you make it look like a long time you him talk. But social media just know him. And you have been saying this, say your man check for you because some things when him do and him carry you out and him carry you for dinner and him this and him tarot. So oh no, you want to choose a one situation and judge if the man check for you. You know already proved that already saying check for you. Because you come out here come already taught that. You know, man who know look for use. People boy pick me who don't want to use, you know. I take who don't want to take another woman boy pick me for idiot. And phone the boy pick me out there. Other people girl pick me. You know. You have a lot to answer to. Whole heap. Not just little, whole heap. What?
But as long as he texts me and him said, Marcia, I am here. I may look around and I see him. I said, okay. Alright, no problem.
Man, you look for rule. Where? In your old days, where you look for man for use in your young days.
No children, no unless emergency.
Married to a man and rule him in your young days.
Because when God has blessed you and God has made sure saying give you this, then give you the finest thing in life, that you can look at yourself and say, oh, I am poor, but let the poor say I'm blessed. And you see that God is always looking out for you. You have to make sacrifice. You have to make sacrifice to be in the presence of the Lord. So my dedication to this tent meeting, and it is a one time a year where you can see preachers from all over the world, Jamaica. They have like 7 different pastors coming from all over. If you don't have nothing to do, then what is the best thing for you to do? You don't have nothing to do. We are in the house to the offer. When you can't go take off the crosses, trial and tribulation, after where the people put up on you, where is the best place to go? You can't in a house and you got nothing to do, and you are gonna come on social media and come and argue with people on social media when God is healing, doing restoration and blessing and taking out the curses and the things them where people put over your life, and you know that you have been getting a lot of fight for the past 3 years or 4 years on social media on a daily basis, and you not run to that. You not run out there to see if you can take off some of the send back the arrow to the enemy camp.
So your way of running to the Lord is to just run go out there. The Lord take off the enemy camp off of you. Take off all of your burden, your troubles, trials and tribulation off of you. And after you do all of that and you feel light again, like weight then on the fire no more, you come light like a jockey you go ride at 48 kilo. Yeah man, and you come down light. And life nice and sweet with you again. And you start make couple dollar. You turn your back against him. You run to him. Why not just turn over your life to him? If you can identify all of this happen with you in a life, and if you know to yourself God is the only answer at this point in your life and your age, why just run to him, assistant, and run out again? Room for rent, apply for you. When you run in and you get where you forget you run out, and you don't want to run in back again when that's something again you want. Turn over your life to God. You love to talk about your churches and you book one pastor, one reverend, and them say 2 little sitting we go for your likings. Because the type of person you is, them say something and you feel like, yes, people are fighting you. Yes, them is with me, they are against me. Yes, pastor, you thought the right thing, yes. You jump up and you start say them spiritual and them holy because what them must say, go for you. But when the negative part talk, you know, own that part there. When the pastor talk the negative part, you reach out and everybody knows how you that go for. You know I want it, man.
Well, who don't like it, them no bite it, you know, because of this me as much as I can attend this camp, me call it camp because it is a camp.
Go give your life to God. He's there waiting for you to turn your life around. Because you can't do it for your own. Because you get too much years to do it and not do it.
Who need him, they must come.
Yeah, come, but him mean come at the doorstep and turn back. Come straight in and stay in.
Because I have been living here for almost 3 years now. 3 years now. And I was living 5 minutes away from it. 5 minutes. Me live in Woodland village and the church they don't couple step down the road. And me never go. Me pass the tent every God almighty day. Every night, me say me a quote at my house and go. Remember people, it depend live. Me say me a got tent tonight, you know. And no, I'm go and I never go. Nothing happened before time. If we don't go back to me live then, me always tell us the people, see, me all advertise it as the people, see tent a go on. Even though me never go. Me always advertise it and says, people, there is revival tent going on. But I never get the motivation to go to that tent church where the part where them have it. But guess what? Nothing happened before time I'm there. No, devil on social media. I'm not gonna tell me who I am because even if you don't feel say me evil, I'm this, I'm that, I'm whatnot, not and whatnot, not and whatever it is. At least me going into the house of the Lord. Where are you? Where are you now? Let me speak broken English now. Where are you there? You know, if they're on social media sharing my contents when me go. But one thing I am sure enough that the enemy them, you know, are watching. And that is my main purpose. You know, are watching the manifestation. You know, are watching the declare that God has placed over my life. You know, can't stop me, not at all. I want to do this again, no can't stop me. You know, could I criticize until you criticize. You know, cannot take away what God has for me. May I tell you this morning? Uno cannot.
Marcia, what go on here, son? Eh? What go on?
When the pastor them give us fire or anything, because some of need fire. And none of them not going to distract me from my blessing. You see, some of them go to church and want to believe like say, you are perfect. And you must understand, this is what I was saying before me realized I wasn't on. You must realize
She knew her mic, but I know what kind of call she get a while ago.
I must remember said everybody who was in the church right now, they were coming, most of majority of them were coming from a hard place in their life. A very hard place. That's why we run for rescue.
Yeah, but they run for rescue. But where are they? They are in the church. They run for rescue coming from a hard place and she said God is the only solution. Them not try to use God because they know them can't use him. And then if them try to use him, they might end up at the worst end of the stick. So they decide to give their life to him. And that's what I am simply saying, no, why can't you? You can identify this. They might come from the worst part and and they have to run to rescue, yes. So you can identify this and doing the same thing here, but you want to go halfway. You want to stop along the way. You just want to go at the door and the door pull and then just anywhere you forget house, land, car, husband, riches, and you just walked away. You don't even walk in and go dust down in empire and dust down in shoes them and something where him have up there and hail to an angel and tell to him disciple say hi, hello, yes. You just want to take at the door and turn away. You don't want to look out in every gate still. You just want to look on the gate outside. That you want to do. Go into the church, turn your life to God and turn around yourself and see if you can make yourself a better person. Because if you do that and can't change yourself, that's how we know you're born worthless. You never grow worthless, you're born worthless.
I come from a hard place in my life. I grew up in the church.
Oh, you not come from the hard place. That's why you don't want your life to God.
Me run to the Lord because
You grew up in a church. You're forced to go to church because of mommy and grandparents. Where?
From me dad, Jamaica.
Actually, everybody will grow up in a childhood, then in childhood days.
Pilgrim Church of God.
With them mother and granny have to go to church. Once them at church go. Where? That is just that. You never go to church for your own.
My house was like 2 seconds. May I look down upon my house and look down at my house. So we don't have to go to church. The whole community was almost a Christian. My sisters, them and many others, they baptized early. From them around 10, 11, 12, 13, they baptized. And them still a serve God said way. In North Carolina. So there was no playground for us in Williamson, Cocoa, than to go to that Pilgrim Church of that church. We have our young people meeting every Tuesday. We had faith and work night. We had our little harvest. We have to go to church. We have a little convention, and people come to our house for convention every year and spend a week. My family was a family who accommodate people. Where we come from different parts of Jamaica to stay with us every year. We grew up with these girls, these young people, and these people that come to our house year after year after year after year to come because we had a place to put them. So I grew up in the church. The church was a place for us that it was like a village. So me never joined the church because of me sick and me this and me that and me what and me that. No. I have been going to church all my life. Then when I came to America, I came into a religious home. Me came into a religious home where I had to go to church all 4 times a week. My mother don't miss nothing. She was too religious. There's only 3 children was in that church, was me and my 2 sisters. A pure old people. Did we have a choice? No. Could we tell her so we not go to church? Did we have a choice? No. We have to follow a car. All when we don't want to go and a scope of face. We have to make sure so we can't scope of face, make sure see. And if we not go to church, every evening, every night when she come from work, and she was a nurse, a RN nurse.
You see, come down to where me I telling the people. You don't go to church on your own, you are forced. And we all know this, every Jamaican know this. Once you grew up against your grandparents, we go to church, if you're even there around your mother, your grandparents are going to force you to come to church as a youngster. And if your parents themselves is church goer, whether Christian or church goer or Sunday church goer, they are going to force you to go to church. So when you come out, you talk about you grew up in a church and you this and you turn, you were forced. See, then you admit it. When you don't want to go. So you make it look like, oh, for your barn. You see God light in front of you. You understand you're godly, you're holy. You have done nothing wrong. You have done no sins. We know. All the years of you speaking about going to church when you're young, it wasn't on your own initiative. You were forced by grandparents or parents. And that's the norm in Jamaica.
When she come from work and she settled, before we got bed, every night we have to go in the bed and sit down on one chair. And we have to hear the word of God. You may tell you. So me know better.
You don't know nothing name better. Because if you did know better, your behavior at this age in life wouldn't be like this. What I say? Your behavior in life wouldn't be like this. But because you did force to go to church, you're never into church, you're never into Christ. So you grew up like this. To be a hooligan. You understand? That even the own man in your life, you want to dictate his life. You want to rule him. And when you want to rule him, take simple things to rule the man. Him do 500 good. And the one where you say you test him with, if him not do it, is a problem. Him not rate you. Who you too? How much time you come out to come say your man rate you, your man love you, your man this, and you talk all kind of good things. But that's how you stay. It just come like the apartment, them as you get them nice because something we don't want the previous one, so you want Magna and show off, say this better, this nicer, this more luxurious. Yes, you're in a better community. But something happened to that one day again, you move on to the next one of the same thing. Speak your mind, people. Thanks for watching, you know. I did a ride and whistle. But I couldn't hear that little part of the headline of the video there with the man that bawl, cry, few days for forgiveness and couldn't hold him tongue. People know you're not in private the live, you know, so that you see me just when me just get the live. Me not expect him to delete. If I did the next one there, the T girl would have start recording instantly. But me not expect him to delete. You see, by the time goes and I listen to me, I say, no sir, I can't demand this to come out say more forgiveness and then change and want to be a different person. And really, no matter what the woman a Portland do, you shouldn't make you dry you out, especially so quick. Shouldn't make you dry you out so quick like a shoes lace. And I say, alright, I'm going to do the video now. People, rotted. As me go so boom. As I go so boom already and set up camera and everything already. See me here? Me press it once me broke the phone screen. Me just a press a go so all me can see a circle like a hula hoop me a play. Hula hoop. Cause just a circle so me know no my Wi-Fi and no internet problem. Cause me they actually right in the kitchen and the passageway me there. And the modem they right behind me. So me know they far from it, I just a spin so. When me go so and come off and click again, this video has been private. You're not too big and bad and bold man. If you come out here talk and then you not delete and private. Stand up to yourself, man. You know, so not big people. Speak my mind, people. Thanks for watching. Come to the end of another video. It's my business hours. Yes, so I don't know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you like the video. And please to watch the ads. Continue to support both of my channel. Life is a Mission TV. Remember Tamika Douglas in the comment section pin. Tamika Douglas TV. Give her a subscription. And Life with Gabby and Chevy. Give them a subscription. Bless up on yourself. Happy Friday. Tomorrow in your market and soup there. Or send me soup. Just tell me and send the address come. Or if you don't want my email, I don't want my she-mail, I don't want my website to send it on it. True not son. Yes, send it come. Me there. Bless up on yourself.